The way I got started in the remodeling business is I actually learned from my father. My father was a tile installer. At Selective Sculptures, we're a full-service kitchen and bath showroom where we carry plumbing products, flooring, tile, vanities, countertops. We have our own fabrication shop where we do custom countertops. Everything is under one roof, and you can build your dream kitchen or bathroom here. The best advice I would give somebody who's looking to remodel a kitchen or bath is to start with the end in mind and have a plan on what you want to do. The difference between going to a box store versus coming to Selective Sculptures is, we deal with first quality material, where a box store, when they get products, they're getting in mass production and inferior product. What gives me the most joy when we do a remodel is at the end, obviously, when the customer gets to see the finished product, and what we promise them is what we deliver. The Selective Sculptures team is really almost like a family. We are not blood related, but we might as well be. What I remember most from my father telling me is, the job starts before you get there. You got to make sure that you're happy and you're smiling and you thank these nice people before you even enter their home. Come visit Selective Sculptures showroom today. Click the video for more details.